Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with the ITEL Smartwatch Fit 020. And on this video, we are going to focus on one of its smart feature, and the best-selling feature of the wearable is the watch faces as well as the AI watch faces. But on this video, we are going to focus on the common watch face as well as the DIY watch face. We'll have a separate video for the AI watch face. Right now, we will try to download the watch face as well as check out the available watch faces for the 020. So if you are interested to check out the details on the watch faces or the dials, watch this video. And again, if you are not subscribed, subscribe now to our smartwatch specifications YouTube channel. If you have some questions, drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's start and explore the section for the watch faces for our smartwatch Fit 020. You can use the ground button here to change the watch face. So let's count how many watch faces do we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4. We have at least 4 watch faces, a combination of analog and digital watch faces. To download an additional watch face, you have to pair your wearable with the iPulse application. And as you can see here, we do have a section for watch faces, the dial center. So go to your support app. Okay, so we have here the support app. Open, go to the more section, and as you can see here, we have an AI watch face, image and video watch face. So we will have a separate video for this. Let's focus first on the list of watch faces for the wearable. So let's check it out. So we have personalized, we have more, functional modules, classic series, interesting, and creative numbers. Let's check out the functional modules. Okay, so here are the available watch faces. Okay, for our personalized, okay, so it's a different style of watch face. Okay, colorful watch face here. We have more. Let's check out the more section. Okay, somewhat similar also to the first one, but we do have a lot of collections here. It's all free. So we have the default, personalized, more, functional. We have the classic series. I guess this is the analog watch faces. Let's check. Okay, very limited. We have interesting. Okay, and we have creative numbers. Okay, then I'm looking for the DIY dial. Okay, no watch face. Maybe this is a DIY dial. No, it's not. Or maybe this one. It's image and video. Okay, let's check first the functional and have a sample download. Okay, let's pick one. Okay, so let's select this one. Someone like gear style. Then tap on download. Okay, let's wait. Set as current dial. And as you can see here, our smartwatch switched to download mode. Let's wait for it. And we have our watch face. Okay, as you can see here, based on the screen, there's a big black border on the bottom part, slim on the upper right and left. Can we change this? No, it is fixed. Okay, but as you can see, we do have a lot of details. That's why it's called functional. We have the time, the date. I guess we also have the steps here, as well as the weather. Okay, then next, let's have another one. Let's count first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have now at least 5 watch faces. Let's download another one. Okay, let's pick this one. Then set. Let's see if we can add at least one to have at least 6 watch faces. Let's wait. And now we have the watch face. This one, it also looks cool. Looks good. Again, let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Okay, so you can only add one watch face at a time. Every time you download, the first or the previous watch face is removed or overwritten. Okay, again, you can only add one watch face at a time. Let's have our custom watch face. Great. Let's just allow the permission. So we have here some of the images. Let's get one. Okay, we have the flower. Check. Then you can adjust the time here. Adjust the color of the text. Then set as the current dial. Okay, let's wait. And we have here our custom watch face. Let's see if we can add a custom watch face as well as another watch face. Okay, let's see if we already have at least 2. Okay, remember we have the first one and we have this custom watch face. Let's see. Hopefully we have at least 2. Okay, let's check. Okay, so as you can see here, we have 1 and we have our custom watch face. Okay, a separate watch face for the dial center and the separate watch face for our custom watch face. I don't know if you can also add another one in the AI watch face, but we'll have a different video for this. Okay, so that's it for our sample video demo for the watch faces of the Smartwatch Fit 020. If you have any questions regarding the demo, drop a comment below. And again, like, share, and subscribe. Bye.